Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Sierra Leonean potato salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 3 medium-sized potatoes and 4 hard-boiled eggs. For the creamy base, have your favorite mayonnaise ready. We'll also incorporate fresh vegetables like 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, and a few green onions, along with salt, black pepper, and a spoonful of relish to enhance the taste. Now, let's prepare the core components. Begin by boiling your potatoes in salted water until they are tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them, let them cool completely, and then dice them into large, bite-sized pieces. Simultaneously, hard-boil 4 eggs for about 10 minutes, then peel and chop them into generous portions. It is crucial that both the potatoes and eggs are fully cooled before moving to the next step. With your potatoes and eggs cooled, it's time to assemble our salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the diced potatoes and chopped hard-boiled eggs. Next, add your finely chopped fresh vegetables, the small onion, bell pepper, and green onions. Now, generously add mayonnaise, along with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a spoonful of relish. Carefully fold all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated and creamy. The final, crucial step is chilling your potato salad. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, or ideally, for several hours. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures a refreshing, firm texture. Serve your chilled Sierra Leonean potato salad as a perfect accompaniment to grilled meats, fried chicken, or any festive meal. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.